Hi everyone, let's see a case of reactive inguinal lymphadenopathy. A 74-year-old male diabetic patient came with right foot ulcer. On ultrasound, right inguinal region shows enlarged tender lymph node. Color Doppler shows internal low-resistant vascularity. So this is the picture of a large superficial inguinal lymph node. Color Doppler shows a high vascular flow within the lymph node hilum. On pulsar Doppler, you can see a low resistant flow pattern of resistive index 0.54. Now let's see on real time. So the lymph node is enlarged. You can see the cortex and medulla of the lymph node. On color Doppler, the vascularity is high internally. On a spectral Doppler, again we can see a low resistant blood flow pattern. Thank you for watching.